Okay, so right now I have the Mulberry methane sensor, and essentially trying to get data from the methane sensor to a dashboard that is just easily accessible to collect, analyze data. And the whole premise here is being able to leverage the low-cost methane, CO2 gas sensors that are currently on the market. And so trying to build out the data stream, data pipeline infrastructure for this. And so currently I'm trying two different approaches. And so one is to just use a Raspberry Pi as essentially a communications bridge. Okay, so once it lands, once I'm able to communicate via the Raspberry Pi, and this is, I'm using a SIM card to be able to communicate via 4G here. Essentially comes back to or gets sent to AWS, where I'm able to store it and be able to access it for analysis. The other path, which is a little bit more remote sensing friendly, is to be able to communicate directly via LTE, essentially LTE-M or NB-IoT network. And so, this is actually kind of new to me, so I'm learning about these guys. And so this is what the Nordic and the Onomondo SIM card that comes with it is specifically designed for these guys. And so I'm trying to establish this connection so that we can go directly wirelessly from there to here without having to go through a Pi 5. But this has been nice because I can just SSH from my MacBook. And just be able to troubleshoot everything that's going on through Wi-Fi to this guy. Yeah, and so I've just kind of been slowly working at this pipeline. I think I have it pretty well established now through the Pi, through this direction. As soon as I get the hardware, I'll be able to validate this direction. And yeah, stay tuned for more of this data pipeline plumbing.